everyone, welcome back from the break. हमारे पास एक बहुत ही interesting, important और influential guest हैं आज अपने हमारे साथ. Mr. Asif Iqbal is an animator, co-founder or was the founder of Postamazers, एक बहुत ही बड़ी animation company और अब वो अपनी एक और market में ला रहे हैं called Ice Animation. Why animation?
Just I have passion for it.
क्यों एक दिन आपको एक epiphany आई कि बस मुझे animation करनी है?
I have. It actually goes way back when I was a kid. I watched a program at TV about animation.
So specific cartoons that just
No, it was a program how to make animation. So it just clicked from.
So any scope for this in Pakistan? में क्या scope है मतलब for animators? People who want to come in, do you think?
See, animation जो है, it's something. The scope is global.
Okay.
If you have the skills and you have the talent and you know how to do it, then the world is open for you. It's just not Pakistan based.
Right.
You can go to Middle East, you can go to Far East, you can go to.
I have a problem with this. एक तो इसमें अगर बंदा invest करे in terms of the education, it's an expensive education. फिर आप machines में and they have to be the top notch machines to get the best quality of animation. Middle class animation अब कोई भी बच्चा कर सकता है. Which means the investment process in this is very expensive, है ना?
See, ऐसा नहीं है. I mean, जिन लोगों ने investment की है, there are very few people जिनको professionally hire किया गया है.
बिल्कुल.
Most of the time, what we do companies in Pakistan, and it started with Postamazers, is that we hire people and then we provide them the training in house. So we take them through the training.
ठीक है, you give them a scope, career देते हैं उसके बाद you start training them.
But what we look for is a person who have some basic talent, some passion for it. So that is how Pakistan में industry grow हुई है.
अब एक और चीज़, अब सबको ज़ाहिर नहीं पता कि कंपनी का स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है. काफ़ी दफ़ा बच्चे होते हैं, उनको स्किल्स होती हैं, वो कंप्यूटर पे बैठ के छोटा सा कमरा लेके they start off and it's a good way to do it. But naturally a Postamazers is a big affair. How many people are working with you in Postamazers?
It depends. Sometimes it's between 60 to 80. Sometimes we went up to 120. So
depending on the project.
It's a company. तो इस company का आप समझाइए कि अब animation, how do you breathe life into animation? ये एक तस्वीर आपने बनाई और फिर वो एक स्क्रीन पे एक चीज़ बन गई. किस प्रोसेस क्या होता है?
It goes through processes. Depend करता है. Sometimes we come up with the concept. Sometimes the client provide us the concept. Then the next stage is to character development, character design, production design, layouts, storyboard. Then it goes to modeling. So there we model that thing in 3D, and then after modeling it goes into rigging, which is like creating the internal structure like the bones and everything.
और ये सब कंप्यूटर पे होता है?
Yes, everything. Everything is on computer. उसके बाद फिर then it goes to the texturing department, or sometimes it goes before on the texturing department.
Texturing department?
Texturing.
What is texturing?
You create the surface, the look of the character,
the clothes and the skin
and everything. So that is surfacing or texturing. Yes, exactly. Then it goes to animation department. So after animation it goes to lighting department, and after lighting it goes for the final, which is the rendering and then compositing, because we normally render in different layers. अब ये है कि you have quad core processors जो कि पहले single core होते थे, तो quad core की वजह से काफ़ी fast हो गई है rendering. उसके बाद then compositing पे जाता है, और compositing में different layers होती हैं जो render layers कहलाती हैं. वहाँ कंपोजिट होता है, कलर करेक्शन होता है, सीन मैचेस किए जाते हैं, शॉर्ट मैच किए जाते हैं कि द लुक ऑफ इट, और फाइनली फिर एडिट होता है.
अब आपने एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स किए हैं, देयर आर सर्टेन कंपनीज दैट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू नेम, बट आपने पूरी छोटी एनिमेशन फीचर्स किए उनके लिए. आपने फिल्म्स भी की हैं
जी.
अब फिल्म्स कौन सी की हैं?
फिल्म्स हमने जो मेजर जिनको मैं जिनका नाम ले सकता हूँ वो 3 मूवीज़ हैं हॉलीवुड की. वन इज़ सन ऑफ द मास्क, एग्जॉसिस्ट द बिगिनिंग, एंड रिसेंटली वी डिड अंडरवर्ल्ड 3.
अच्छा, जो भी recently भी आने वाली है.
Fantastic. So we have a
Hollywood
opportunity for Pakistani company.
And we Postamazers did it before any Indian studio did it.
That's nice.
So
and probably better.
Yeah, so we can say that South Asia में we were the first company to enter and get a job from Hollywood.
तो यानी कि opportunities हैं बच्चों के लिए कि वो अगर एक अच्छी कंपनी खोलें तो बाहर से offers हमें मिल सकते हैं.
Yes, the industry is growing globally. It's growing about 15% a year. It's a $80 billion industry, which is growing, and then it's a global industry. I mean, outsourcing is way back. जब हमने Son of the Mask किया था तो outsourcing was in Hollywood like a taboo word or something. But nowadays outsourcing is globally. I mean, every major film, every production, they are spreading all over the world.
क्या आप इस पर्सनालिटी को जानते हैं? इनका शुमार अमेरिका के बड़े बिजनेसमैन में होता है और ये दुनिया के अमीर तरीन शख्सियत में से एक हैं. पॉल एलन, मिलिंडा गेट्स, स्टीव जॉब्स, विलियम गेट्स III.